Cesar Romero tonale.
Oh, yeah.
It's the 2024 Alfa Romeo. How do you Romeo?
Romeo.
Do it, Jeff?
Romero.
Yeah. Anyway,
Cesar Romero.
the Tonale, the Veloce Tonale E all-wheel drive. That's a plug-in hybrid. That's the best. That's the best Italian I got. I'm sorry.
Thanks, Guido.
So this is a plug-in hybrid 2024, and I wanted to note I found in my research 2025 Alfa Romeo will all be electric. They will not produce any more gas. It comes in 3 trim levels. The Veloce is the top trim level. It's subcompact 5-passenger vehicle. And it's new for 2024. Got the special PHEV badging on it, the grille, lighting on it. It's got a lot of little touches on it that relate to the heritage of Alfa Romeo. That's wrong.
Notice he's got to talk with his
I'm trying to learn how to do that. Anyway, so up front, you're going to find the LED lighting in the front and the rear. Got power heated folding mirrors, the hands-free power liftgate on the back of it, power moonroof. It comes with 19-inch standard wheels, but we had the 20 by 8-inch grille wheels that really look pretty good on it because it's got the fatter tires and things on it. Inside, you're going to find you got leather seating. The front seats are heated and ventilated. Got a 12.3-inch color display for the driver, so you're going to have all your gauges and all your meters and monitors are all right there. 10.25-inch touchscreen where the Uconnect 5 is. Surround view camera, your nav, all your good convenience controls are all right there. Got a wireless charger on it, and the Harman Kardon audio will really fill it up.
That Jimmy Buffett sound.
Lots of things on it. Up under the hood, you're going to find a 1.3-liter turbo. Now, this is back to you, Jeff. 1.3-liter turbo that is for the front wheels. The 121 horsepower equivalent electric component of it's for the rear wheel drive. And once you take off in the electric mode, when you shift into second gear, the gasoline motor starts.
Got you.
So first gear uses that torque of that e-motor to really get it up and rolling. So you get a combined 285 total horsepower in this all-wheel drive vehicle. It's backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. Now, the EPA says on gas only, you're looking at about 29 miles per gallon.
Dang.
If you get the MPGE, the electronic component, it says 77. So it's basically, I don't know, it's kind of around the 30 combined thing. But I drove this thing 287.1 miles, and best I can tell, putting all this together on all the gauges that are on there, I got 26.6 overall mile per gallon equivalent for the week that I drove it. Comes with 3 drive modes, and that's where you get into the whole. One of them I thought was interesting. D is for the dual power, and that's really what you could manually control the EV in the first gear, and then the second gear it kicks in the gas motor.
Did you notice a difference in it?
Yeah, because normally if you to do that, you use the torque of the EV. You're kind of doing the on-ramp the freeway entrance test, and it's already under such more acceleration.
So it wasn't a hard transition?
No, it's not. If you're just in a normal drive mode or in a normal driving pattern in that dual power mode, I couldn't tell.
That's good.
I like the car.
There was a little bit of noise. I mean, you could tell something else kicked in, but other than that, just that was it.
I think it's appealing. 2
suspension levels, and all that's based on the drive mode. But overall, it's a sports car ride. It's got a firm ride to it, and no doubt about it. And it's got those performance tires on it, which contribute to that. Overall, the base model price on a vehicle like this is $44,590. The base trim price is $47,495. Now, the as tested price, $57,450 for this vehicle. So if you're looking for something to compare it to,
57,000.
Yes, sir. That's what it said.
Okay.
You're looking for something to compare it to. Audi Q3. It's a little tough trying to find a plug-in electric hybrid to compare all this to. But if you look at the sizing of it and the pricing, Audi Q3 is at $38,790. The BMW X1's at $41,495, and the Mercedes-Benz GLB is at $42,000 for this Alfa Romeo Tonale vehicle.
Did you have issues? I know both of you had issues with the plug portion of it to the house. Was there anything like that you?
I did not
concerns?
Try and do that.
Did you? Was it a 110 plugger that you had that came with the car?
It had that adaptability, but I could never get situated where I could leave it for the 9 hours that it said would take to charge it.
Oh.
Why not?
Oh.
Well, just because I'd have to run a long extension cord. I didn't want to do that. I mean, I wanted to get close enough that the cord
To
would
buy some
car.
wires.
They're all right there.
I couldn't find them. They were all in the case. No, just situations where I just couldn't get it situated right to do that.
If you dare. This program is available 24/7 on iHeartRadio.